Hey everyone, you must have seen these cute little Ghibli AI generated images all over the internet right now because it has definitely taken over my Instagram for sure. Everywhere I see these images. So I wanted to talk about it because yes, they look super cute, definitely, no doubt about it. But was it really necessary to make this a trend? I don't know. So before this trend went viral, how many of you actually heard about Studio Ghibli? I'm going out on a limb and saying hardly anyone. Maybe the people who are into anime may have heard this about this company. Actually, it's a Japanese based animation studio founded by Hayao Miyazaki, and they make beautiful life story movies based on exploring the nature itself. And Mr. Miyazaki, the founder, has openly opposed AI tools to be used in art. He went and said that it is an insult to life itself. So the man who actually created this art form feels that AI being used in art lacks heart, lacks passion, and the painstaking effort that takes to create any artwork. And all these things make Ghibli artwork so beautiful and inspiring. AI images cannot be called as art forms because they are mere mimicries, they are imitations. It is not an actual work because an artist spends years of practice, years of hard work preparing and improving his style. To understand what I'm saying, you need to go and watch one of these films first because you will understand that Mr. Miyazaki and his team has observed nature and every emotions, and they draw every detail of these movies by hand. And Mr. Miyazaki and his team has put in hours and hours of hard work to create perfect this art form. So much hard work, so many artists behind this effort, and this trend just discredits everyone. The first problem with this is that the AI models were trained on this artwork, all of his movies, without his permission. Now this trend has gone out of hand, and Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is requesting people to take a chill on creating these AI generated images on Ghibli style because he says his employees need to sleep. Well, you trained your AI. We all need to take a minute and think about the energy consumption that is required to train this AI model. And now millions of people are creating these images using AI, and the sheer amount of energy consumption going into it is worth worrying. Yes, because yes, they are just cute pictures. Creativity cannot be replaced by an algorithm. This is a 5-day to 10-day trend. After 10 days, something new will come, definitely. But what it leaves behind is that one artist who has put his entire life behind this. You have just discredited his artwork, his hard work, his entire repetition.